Alright, so this video we're going to look at finding the derivative of a function using the definition. Here's the list of examples I'm going to work. There's 8 of them. Each example is going to have its own video. So here's video 1, 2, 3, all the way down to the 8th video. So you can check them out. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so here the derivative of a function f prime of x is the limit h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Alright, so let's look at example 4. So let's just go ahead and write the formula down. We got f of x plus h minus f of x over h, and it is the limit as h goes to 0. Alright, so let's calculate it. So we get f prime of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0. Alright, so we need f of x plus h. So the x plus h, I'm going to put it in the place of x. So that's going to give me 1 over 2 times x plus h minus 1, okay, minus f of x. Well, here's f of x. That's 1 over 2x minus 1, and then all of that is over h. Okay, so see, this is our f of x plus h, and this is our f of x. Okay, see, all I did is I replaced x with x plus h for this part. Alright, so now we have to figure out how to simplify this thing. So let's see. Maybe we could, let's do this. Let's write the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 over 2x plus 2h minus 1 minus 1 over 2x minus 1 over h. So all I did is I distributed the 2. Okay, I think that might make it a little easier to work. Okay, alright, so look, all this is a complex fraction that we have to simplify. So to simplify a complex fraction, all we do is multiply each term by the common denominator. Well, what's the common denominator? Well, that would be what? 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1. So we're going to multiply each term by this common denominator. So we're going to get the limit as h goes to 0. Alright, so the common denominator, multiply it to each term. Right, times 1 over 2x plus 2h minus 1 minus, and then the common denominator, 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1 times 1 over 2x minus 1. And then that is all over, alright, the common denominator, 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1, and then times h over 1. So it looks like a lot, but all I did is I just wrote the common denominator next to each term. That's all I did. Okay, and yeah, you could just kind of squeeze it in like this, but I just wanted to write it out so you could see it. Alright, so let's see what we get. This is equal to, well, look at this. See, this cancels out here. The 2x minus 1 cancels out. Okay, And so let's see what we get. We get the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 times 2x minus 1 minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1 over h times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1. Okay. And so now let's look at simplifying this. I'm going to clear the parentheses. So I've got, let me come down here in case I run out of room. That's going to be the limit as h goes to 0 of 2x minus 1 minus 2x minus 2h and plus 1 over h times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1. And then this turns out nice. 2x minus 2x, that goes to 0. Negative 1 plus 1 goes to 0. And so we're left with the limit as h goes to 0 of negative 2h over h times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1. And so it's working out. The h's cancel out. And so that's going to leave us with the limit as h goes to 0 of negative 2 over 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2h minus 1. And then we evaluate the limit. We plug the 0 in for h. And so that's the limit as h goes to 0 of negative 2 over 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 2 times 0 minus 1. And that gives us the limit as h goes to 0, negative 2 over, that's 2x minus 1 times, and this is 0, so that just leaves us with 2x minus 1. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have the limit here anymore, do we? What am I doing? Alright. Because we took the limit, we plugged 0 in for h, so that makes it, the limit's gone. I don't know, had a brain freeze. Alright, and so now that's going to give us what? Negative 2 over, I just put the negative out front, and 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 is just 2x minus 1 squared. Whoop. And so we've got our derivative, f prime of x is equal to negative 2 over 2x minus 1 squared. And there's your derivative. Alright, check out my other videos. I hope this helped. Give me a like, share, and subscribe, and thanks.